In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Shiba Inu token coin right from Crypto.com app. What you're seeing here, this is the Crypto.com app. Click on the link in the description and go ahead and buy your Shiba. I'm going to do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Now, when you go here, go down to where it says track. Click on track. And then you can search right for Shiba right here. So if I type in Shiba, it's going to come up. You see that? Then you click right there. And then from there, you just buy SHIB. Buy SHIB right there. Now, here's the thing. If you do not have your bank account hooked up, you can add your bank account right here. So you can say add crypto or debit card right here. That says there. So you can add your debit card or your credit card right there. Put your information right there. But if you already have your credit card and debit card, it's going to show up right in here, this part there. See that? So if I want to buy, let's see, if I want to buy like a small bag of Shiba. So if I want to buy, let's say, then you have to buy like a little bit, 100,000 SHIB. I can buy 100,000 SHIB. Click on here. It's going to break down the amount. SHIB equals ratio. The fee's only 21 cents. And then your credit card information and then confirm. Once you confirm here, it does ask for my password once again. Hold on. All right, let me see here. I'm gonna bring it back here. So, look like it didn't go through. Confirm. Then I gotta put my password here. And then I have to confirm. So I have to confirm the card. So now I'm gonna put my CVV in there. So, okay. And CVV, I'm gonna bring this back up again. And there you go. SHIB is purchased, very simple and very easy. And then if I tap in anywhere, if I go back to my track coins and my accounts, I will see SHIB right in here. How I find out, go to accounts. I'll do this again, accounts, crypto wallet. And if I go down, I should see Shiba right there. That's the 100,000 that we just bought, worth $7. Any information, just let me know in the comment line. Click on the link below for Crypto.com app, and I'll see you on the next video.